In this video, we will be showing you the steps to correctly adjust the refrigerator doors of your Sharp refrigerator to ensure they are properly leveled. If your refrigerator doors are not even, their height can be adjusted to make sure they are level. 2 people are recommended for this type of adjustment. To adjust the height of your refrigerator doors, you will need the fastener rings that are included in the accessory bag of your Sharp refrigerator. You will need to find which door is lower and lift that door up a few millimeters. The second person can take out the fastener ring. Using pliers will make it easier to hold and insert the fastener ring on the refrigerator door hinge. While the refrigerator door is being lifted, locate the door hinge post at the bottom of the door. Then insert the fastener ring onto the door hinge post. This will act as a spacer and slightly lift the door by 1 to 2 millimeters. You can slowly lower the door and it will stop at its new height. This should allow both refrigerator doors to be even in height. If they are still uneven, you can repeat this process and add an additional fastener ring to raise the height of the lower door some more. You can now enjoy your Sharp refrigerator.